In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on your Scion XB. This is going to be located behind the right front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative terminal. Pull straight up on the terminal and pull it out of the way, and be sure that it can't contact that negative post. Remove the hubcap, pull straight out. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a clip tool, we're going to remove the plastic clips for our splash shield. Push the fender liner back. We have one more. And allow it to hinge down. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to remove the bolt for the crankshaft position sensor. Remove the bolt. We're going to remove our crankshaft position sensor. I'm going to use a small pry tool to help me. You want to be careful if you're prying on this because it is a plastic sensor. We don't want it to break off in the hole. The tension is kept by the O-ring. Slide the sensor out. Using a trim tool, you're going to pop the plastic clip off of right here. Ours is broken. We're going to disconnect the connector for our crankshaft position sensor. There's a push button on my forefinger. Push straight down on that, pull back, remove the connector. Pull the crankshaft position sensor connector straight up off of the bracket. Push the plastic cover forward and lift up and remove the cover. On the side of our connector right here, we have a push button. We're going to push on that, pull straight back, and remove our connector. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, we're going to remove the nut for the post. Remove the cable. We have a 10mm bolt for our bracket. Go ahead and remove that. Remove the bolt. Using a clip tool, we're going to remove the clip from our bracket off the front of the alternator. Remove the plastic stay. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove the back bolt for the alternator. Remove the top alternator bolt. We have a 12mm bolt on the bottom of our alternator. We're going to loosen this bolt. And we're just going to get it loose. We're not going to remove it. Using a pry bar, we're going to lift out on our alternator just a little bit, just so we can get this harness out and remove the sensor. Install the sensor down into place. Install the connector onto the bracket and install the harness into the stay. Install the crankshaft position sensor. Be sure it fully seats. Get the bolt started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Pull the shield up into place. Install the plastic clips. We have one more. Push the fender liner back. We're going to pull the alternator back into position. With the alternator lined up, we're going to get our bolt installed and started. Get it started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Reach all the way down to that bottom alternator bolt, and we're going to snug that up. Torque the bottom alternator bolt to 16 foot-pounds. Torque the top bolt to 32 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Install the 10mm bolt for the bracket. Snug it down. Install the cable. Be sure it sits into place and it's sitting flush. Install the nut. Snug it down. Install the plastic cover. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the plastic stay on the front bracket. Install the negative battery terminal. Snug down the bolt. Install the wheel and get the 5 lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels to 79 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.